everyone, I'm Astro, and today we're blasting off to find amazing A words. Ready? 3, 2, 1, lift off! Uh-oh, the space fog is super thick. Which way do we go? Oh, a glowing arrow is pointing the way. Let's follow it. Hold on, someone's waving on that pink planet. It's a friendly alien. Hi there, alien. Whoa, look out the window! Those are giant asteroids. Let's fly carefully so we don't bump the ship. We've been exploring for a while. Snack time. I've got a crunchy red apple. Yum, now we've got energy to keep going. No way, even on this blue planet, tiny ants are working together to build a home. They're so hard working. Huh, what's floating out there is an anchor. Did a space pirate drop it? That's so mysterious. Look at that constellation. It looks just like a big alligator. And wow, its mouth looks like a U. Wait, that's not a spaceship. It looks like an airplane from Earth flying up in the sky. Yay, we found all the A words. And here's an award for everyone who helped today. You did amazing.